Students walking out of class marching to the government center to demand justice for Amir Locke and an end to the use of no-knock warrants. Thanks for joining us here at 6. Amir Locke's loved ones also speaking out today as lawmakers discuss statewide restrictions for no-knock entries.
Those calls for the end of no-knock warrants being echoed tonight by community members. Here's a live look outside the Hennepin County Government Center where members of Black Lives Minnesota holds a rally. Similar events are also taking place in other major cities, including New York, Atlanta, and Louisville, Kentucky. Demonstrators are calling for the end of no-knock warrants, the resignation of the interim police chief, and in Minneapolis, and in charges for the officer who shot Locke. Also tonight, murder charges filed in the underlying St. Paul homicide that led investigators to the Bolero Flats apartment complex where Locke was killed 1 week ago.
Fox 9's Paul Bloom joins us now. Paul, we know Amir Locke's 17-year-old cousin is behind bars in connection to that St. Paul case.
Randy and Kelsey, the murder victim's name, Otis Elder, 38 years old. He was killed January 10th over in the capital city. It is his shooting that would lead authorities to the Bolero Flats apartment complex last week in search of Amir Locke's first cousin, Makai Speed.
He was like a rock tire family. He was like, it was really close.
Trish Elder's older brother, Otis, was shot and killed last month in St. Paul. A possible drug deal in his Chevy Tahoe turning deadly when a gunman fired into Elder's open driver's side door. According to court papers, the slang captured on a nearby camera along Pryor Avenue. Elder's loved ones demanding to know who pulled the trigger and why.
But you heard he was on the phone at the time?
Yeah.
In your mind, was it a pretty cold-blooded killing?
Yes, it absolutely was. Yes, it was.
Prosecutors have said through video evidence, law enforcement was able to track a pair of suspects fleeing the scene in a stolen Mercedes straight to the Bolero Flats apartment complex in downtown Minneapolis. Soon after, the car would be dumped in the nearby Leamington parking ramp. At that point, 4 men are seen getting out, apparently spraying the inside of the vehicle with fire extinguisher foam. Investigators identifying one of the suspects there as 17-year-old Makai Speed. Court records show that Speed lives in Bolero Flats with his mother up on the 14th floor, his brother and brother's girlfriend living in Unit 701, where Speed's cousin, Amir Locke, was sleeping on the couch last week. Before 7 a.m. on February 2nd, Minneapolis police executed a no-knock search warrant in connection to the Elder murder investigation. SWAT officer Mark Hanneman opening fire when Locke appeared to be startled awake and emerged from under a blanket with a handgun. Speed was arrested Monday in Winona. Court records show that the stolen Mercedes was a suspect vehicle in a handful of armed crimes and that there were numerous police calls to Unit 701 prior to last week's deadly raid. But there is no mention of Locke by name in any of the court filings. Important to note here, prosecutors looking to have Speed certified in court as an adult despite his age, 17. He does have a troubled and violent past, so he will remain in custody for now. His next court hearing next week. As for the underlying search warrants connected to the no-knock warrant in Minneapolis, they were not unsealed today. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.